Welcome to Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Entrepreneur, with dreams so bright, a world of possibilities within your sight. It's time to take that leap of faith, starting to build your business base. 10 preliminary steps to begin your business. 1. You must have a roadmap for your plan, that's the key that will make it stand. Outline your goals and strategies for growth, these two ingredients make them a part of your oath. 2. Be legally compliant, ensure your business operations are ready for clients, get the right permits and licenses in place, that's the way to business grace. 3. Your finances must be in order, set up your books up like a recorder, invest wisely, and keep your books clean, build a cash cushion, to help with the unforeseen. 4. Assemble your team, talented, dedicated workforce, to help you fulfill your dream, hire and train the best, and never forget, your employees are the ones that make your business a success. 5. Establish efficient operation, with streamlined processes and clear communication, develop an infrastructure that supports your growth, where excellence is not just a boast. 6. Your marketing strategy is a major key, let your target market know your business in all its degree. 7. Create a strong brand, and develop your strategy, always keep your focus on customers' loyalty anatomy. 8. Technology can help you soar, embrace new tools and platforms, and explore. 9. From e-commerce to cloud-based systems and data storage, technology can help you increase efficiency, a 1-0 porridge. Identify potential threats, manage risk with care, your disaster recovery plan will quickly repair. From cyber attacks to natural disasters, your plan make you the sole master. 9. Track your everyday performance, use KPIs, dashboards, and metrics are enormous. Analyze the data, and learn from the insights, use this to keep your business thriving and staying dead to right. 10. Be flexible and ready to pivot, you want your customers to visit, your business environment ready to shift, adapt and innovate, it is the gift. It's your passion and perseverance that will lead to a business that's one of a kind, you can manifest, just put in the time. Entrepreneur, with these steps, you're ready to start, ready to build your business with energy which you impart. Stay true to your vision, stay focus bound, with hard work and perseverance, a way has been found. Get to it. Much appreciation to you for giving of your time with us at Motivation at Hand. To know is to know how. Please subscribe, thumbs up, we look forward to your comments, we trust you will come back soon.